Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength and this is Dr. McCoy. Some of you will get that, some of you will not. Today we are going to talk about, I'm showing you his backside. We're going to talk about the coccyx, this little wiggly thing right here on the bottom of the sacrum, which is kind of like a triangle. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to draw circles, imagining that the tip of our coccyx is like a pencil. And we're going to try to draw circles with our coccyx. And in doing so, what we may be able to do is actually loosen up or separate the pelvis from the lower back and create some mobility that we should all have. And you know, when things are moving that can move and should move, everything else gets better. So, enough talk. Now this one takes a little bit of imagination and a little bit of confidence, especially if you're doing this in public. You don't have to do this in public. You can do it in private, and then you can still feel really odd and silly. So it helps to relax your knees, and just imagine that triangle, at the tip of that triangle, your coccyx is a pencil, and you're just going to try to draw smooth, small circles with your pencil on the bottom of your coccyx. And then try to draw them in the other direction. And what you may find is that, hey, I can draw circles in one direction, but not so much in the other, and that's okay. But, and we're trying to draw those small circles so that we can just get a little bit of dexterity and recapture the motion, smooth motion that we're actually designed to have. And then if you get good with it, you can try to make the circle a little bit bigger. And if you get really good with it, you can start making infinity symbols with the tip of your coccyx, and then you can switch directions. And you can make those side to side, or you can make them front to back. So, hey, you can make them front to back and you can switch directions. And it may look like I haven't changed anything, but in my mind and in what I feel, I have changed a lot. Anyway, that is just trying to restore mobility, using the coccyx as your focal point to kind of just separate your pelvis from your lower back. Can feel great on the lower back, especially if they're stuck and you don't have the mobility that you should be having. This is a great way to restore that, and then actually just restore a lot of other things. Now I'm going to show you another way to do it that feels really daggone good. And it may actually be easier than just trying to do it standing here. So, stay tuned. Okay, so another feel-good, fun way to try to draw those circles with your coccyx is to do it while you're hanging, with your feet on the ground so that you can really kind of just relax. And this is a great way because now it starts to pull traction or distraction in your spine. And gravity helps open up your pelvis from your lower back. And now there's no real weight as much on your legs because you're hanging. And so it feels like an entirely similar yet way different sensation. It's similar, but it's not the same at all. So now while you're hanging, by the way, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, you're welcome. You're welcome for this. So, but you do need a place to hang. And you do want to like rest your feet on the floor, because if you try to do it now, you can do it. Especially once you get used to it, but it's not the same. But this can be a gateway to being able to do it without your feet on the floor too. But this feels oh so good. You're gonna love how it feels through here. Anyway, that is our tip for the day, drawing smooth circles with the tip of your coccyx. You heard it here on Original Strength YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and putting up with me. Hey, if you try this, let me know. Like, yeah, that pretty much feels good. Thanks, Tim. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.